Chapter 4.1 Solving System of Equation Using Graphing. Question number 5. So the first equation y equals 2x plus 1 where m equals 2 and the y-intercept is 1. So the y-intercept is 1. So for y-intercept you plot the point here, and then for a slope you go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1 and up 2 over 1. So you got the line graph that is passing through 1 and the slope is 2. The next line is y equal negative 3x plus 6 where the slope is negative 3 and then the y-intercept is 6. For the second question, you're going to start from 6 and then the slope is negative 3 over 1. So you go down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, and you got the point of intersection, which is this point 1 comma 3. So the point of intersection is your answer 1 comma 3. For number 6, you have a slope m equals negative 1 over 2 and y-intercept equals 4. So you're going to start from 4 and then you're going to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, and you're going to get the line graph. For number 2 line, y equals 1 over 2x plus 2, slope is 1 over 2, b is 2. Starting from 2, you go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. You have the intersection point, this point right here, that's going to be 2 comma 3. So that's your answer, 2 comma 3. For question number 9, the first equation you have y equals 4 over 3x plus 4 where slope is 4 over 3 and y-intercept is 4. So starting from 4, which is a y-intercept, you go up 4 over 3 and you have to extend this line onto the other side. So you're going to go up 4 or down 4 over 3. Remember, this is going to be a positive slope, so the line is going to rise from left to right. For the second equation, you have a slope 1 over 3 and then y-intercept is 1. Starting from 1, you go 1 up over 3, 1 up over 3, and then you're going to extend the line on this direction as well. So go down 1 over 3. Just keep in mind the direction of the line is positive, so it means it's going to go rise from left to right. The point of intersection is the point where they meet together, so that's going to be negative 3 comma 0. So question number 10, the first line y equals 4 over 5 x plus 1. So slope is 4 over 5 and the y-intercept is 1. For the second line, you have a slope negative 6 over 5 and the y-intercept is negative 9. So when you graph the first equation, you're going to start from 1 and then you're going to go up 4 over 5, up 4 over 5, and you can extend that line onto the other side. So go down 4 over 5. So you get the line for the first equation. For the second equation, you start from negative 9 and you're going to go down 6 over 5 onto this side, but there is no space, so we're going to go rather going down, we're going to go up 6 but over 5 to the negative side. Remember, negative slope is going to look like a line that falls from left to right. So when you graph this, the point that is the intersection point is this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 5 and negative 3. So negative 5 comma negative 3. Question number 13. Y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 1, where m is negative 4 over 3 and b is 1. So when you graph this, you start from 1 and you go down 4 over 3, down 4 over 3, and similarly you go up 4 over 3 onto the negative side. I extended the blue line more and it reaches this point because when I graph the other line, Starting from 7, you go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. They meet each other at this point. So this is going to be the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So negative 6 comma 9. For question number 14, your slope is, for the first equation y equals negative 2x plus 3, slope is negative 2, y-intercept is 3. And for the second equation, slope is negative 1 over 3 and y-intercept is negative 7. So starting from 3, you go down 2 over 1, 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 and down 2 over 1. So it goes out of the graph a little bit because we needed this point because this line is going to cut at this point. From the second point is going to get negative 7, go down over 3, go down over 3. So this is the point where they both are cutting. So this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 comma 9. 6 comma negative 9. For number 7, y equals negative 1 over 7x minus 7. Slope is negative 1 over 7 and y-intercept is negative 7. For the second one, the slope is 1 and y-intercept is 1. So the graph of the blue line, starting from negative 7, you go down 1 over 7 or up 1 over 7 on the negative side. It's a falling line. For the red one, you're going to start from 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and they're going to meet at this point. And this point is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So negative 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 7 comma negative 6. For number 8, slope is 4. Y-intercept is negative 8. So you're going to start from negative 8, go up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1. For the second line, you start from 3, you go up 1 over 3. They meet at this point right here, and this point is 3 comma 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 comma 4 is going to be your point of intersection. For number 11, the slope is 3 over 2 and b is negative 2. So you're going to graph the first line starting from negative 2, go up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2. From the second line, you start from 2, go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. They meet at this point, that is 4 comma 4. For number 12, this blue line start from negative 9 and go up 4 over 3, up 4 over 3, up 4 over 3. For the second one, start from positive 9 and it goes down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, and this is the point of intersection, that is 9 comma 3. For number 15, you have to rewrite the equation into slope-intercept form first and then graph. For number 15, slope is negative 4, y-intercept is negative 7. So from negative 7, go up 4 over 1 onto the negative side because it's going to a falling line from left to right. For second equation, you have to make it into y-intercept form. So you subtract x on both sides. You get y equals negative x plus 2, where m is negative 1, slope is 2. So starting from negative 1, go starting from negative 2, and go up 1 over 1 into the negative side. So they meet at this point. So the point is going to be negative 3 comma 4. Subtract x on both sides and then divide with negative 1. To get the y by itself, you got x minus 5. Slope is 1, y-intercept negative 5. Starting from 5, go up 1 over 1, and you get this line. Add 3x on both sides, you get y equals 3x plus 1. So starting from 1, you go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, or down 3 over 1. You got the intersection point negative 2 comma negative 7.